Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Sweatcoin app for beginners. So just to give you an overview, Sweatcoin is actually an application where you could actually just walk or run and even walk indoors, and you'll be able to earn points, and from those points you'll be able to buy stuff for yourself. So basically you're just walking and you're earning stuff here. So I'll be showing you how to use the application itself. It's going to be real quick. Let's get started to it. So first thing that you want to do here is open up your Sweatcoin application. Now from here, there's a few things that you have to do. So we have the convert indoor steps and the ready to start earning option here. So first thing, let's go ahead and update our settings. So in here, we have the manage battery settings, we have the enable auto start, and lock Sweatcoin as a reset. So let's just go ahead and do those settings. Just click on manage here, just click open battery settings, and we want to set this to no restrictions, and let's go back here. Now once you've done that, next thing that you want to do is you want to ensure that it is actually settings enabled here. So if you don't have that corrected, let's go ahead and go back again and make sure that you do the following actions. Now here, let's go to your second setting. Let's go ahead and open up enable auto start. Click on update and just click on open auto start settings and click on OK. And from here, you just need to enable Sweatcoin, and once you enable that one, just click on allow apps to start automatically and just go back here. And from here, you need to go back and just click on yes again. Now from here, let's go to our third setting, which is lock Sweatcoin as recent. Click on the update. And from here, you want to go to recent apps. Press square in the bottom navigation of your swipe up from bottom. Long tap on Sweatcoin and tap the lock icon. Now once you've done that, click on activate now in your home screen. And from here, you'll need the Google Fit access. So just click on enable Google Fit access if you have it. And from here, just click on allow and you'll be able to enable that one. And from here on, you just need to walk around, even run outside or indoors if you have that setting enabled. And from there, you'll be able to earn your credits. Now, how do you spend your credits? So you could actually spend this one via the shop section here. So at the bottom center of your screen, you should have the shop button there. So from here, you'll be able to choose from different settings or different shops items that you could use. So right now, you cannot convert this to actual money, but with the offers that they have right now, you'll be able to choose from them. And that's about it. So using Sweatcoin is actually pretty easy. You just need to enable a few settings and basically start walking or running around. And from there, you'll be able to earn credits. And from those credits, you'll be able to buy gift cards, items, and a lot of other stuff here on Sweatcoin. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.